Everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to forward your message from Messenger to WhatsApp. So it's very easy. I hope you will understand and follow along. So firstly, what you have to do is open your Messenger. It's very easy, and go to the message you want to send. So for example, I want to send this. So what I do is just copy this message, and you can, even if you want, if I want to send a video, for example, if I want to send this picture, what I do is I'll save this picture and just copy it, and I'll send it to the WhatsApp to anyone I want to send. For example, I want to send this video, and I'll just send this video. This message I'll copy. I'll open the WhatsApp, and I'll send it to the person I want to send. Similarly, if I want this, I will just save it and I'll send it. Similarly, with this video which is sending, I will save this video and send this to the person in the WhatsApp I want to send. So that's how you will send messages and you'll forward it. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much for watching.